Alright, so mine and Cody's little nephew is sitting in a chair in the backyard, so I'm gonna catch him off guard real quick. What are you doing, Brentley? You gonna be on the vlog?
Huh?
You gonna be on the vlog? You gonna say hi?
Huh?
You gonna say hi?
Hi.
Gotta put this on Pat Pat's truck.
Okay.
Yep. Alright guys, so I ran to go get a Red Bull. I come back to get an inspected. I don't know what she's gonna say though. Like she just checked out the garage, checking everything. Look at her. Every crevice of this. She's just checking everything. Look. Look. I don't even know what's she gonna say about everything. I don't know if everything's a spec. Puppy. Rocky. What are you doing? Is everything okay? Everything past your standards? Love you, puppy. All jokes aside, this macadamia cookie's fucking fire. But nah, happy Monday! Because I'm dropping this the day after. I'm recording on a Sunday right now. No days off, guys. No days off. We gunning over here. We gunning. We slaying shit. But now I put a poll up on my Instagram, and it looks like I'm dropping the last video I made, the front end video, on a Sunday. So, I mean, it's 5-1, and yeah, give you guys some content. But anyway, I'm gonna finish this cookie. Start slaying some shit. Alright guys, so first we're gonna get these cables undone. This is actually how you adjust the tension on your cables. It's just a little 12 right here, but we're not tightening it obviously, so let's just take this bracket off. There's these two 12 millimeters. It would be, so this would be where your armrest or your e-brake delete is. This is usually covered by the rear end of it. Break these loose. Doing this, you will get more adjustment and movement for adjustment to take it off. So the bracket comes forward, so it doesn't has room to slide around. And it's kind of like a throttle cable. You just angle it to the side, it shoots up. These are off, bracket off, and you can just feed your lines through the bottom. Just gotta tuck the grommet. Boom, cables are out. Alright, so underneath the car, your gas tank would be right here, but even if you have a gas tank, you will see the lines going through right here where you just fed it through. On each side there's going to be a 12, and then you could drop this line down and keep it on the trailing arm, which that's what we're going to do. So 12 right here, 12 right here, and then same thing on this side. Everything is pretty much identical on each side, guys. Alright guys, so once you're done with the cables, all you're going to need is a 14mm socket and a 17mm socket. Two 14s right here. Down here, it'll be a 14, another 14, two 14s up here as well. And then down here, you gotta get down underneath the trailing arm bushing. Is going to be a 17, and then a 17, and then a 14. These two are the only 17s you're going to have. Alright guys, so I loosened some of these up already, so I can make this clip easier and quicker because I don't have the gun anymore. So the 14s first, right here, the one that goes on the strut and the rear trailing arm, that goes to the lower control arm. Undo this one, the studded one, goes from the lower control arm to the rear trailing arm. And then sometimes you're going to need to take a wrench and then wrench it off. As so. This one's out. As you see, this is just a normal one for the bottom of the strut. And then you're going to take your mallet. I already have the 14s up here loose. So the strut will drop down a little bit. But it still has quite a bit of threads on, so it's not going to fall out. So just fold this loose. I also have this slightly loose too, so it's easier to swivel down. And then I'm going to undo these 14s. Give me a second. Alright, so I'm just wrapping my arm around. Pause. Man, that's a big pause. But I'm just using my left hand to untwist the 14 up top. Using my right arm to hold the strut up so it doesn't fall. Got one mount. One stuck, of course. Always on camera, guys. Always on camera. So. Come on. Boom. And the strut here is out. Gonna end up using this for whenever we go to paint so we don't get paint on our good suspension. Alright, you can take the rear lower control arm off if you'd like. I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm yelling. I'm trying to make sure I sound clear because my voice, whenever I talk in a lower tone, sometimes it like I mumble a little bit because my voice, like, I don't know, something weird. But do this. Alright, this out. Wiggle a little bit. And the arm is out. I'm not using this anymore. And as you see, the bushing, along with all sorts of other bushings, are just completely blown. Alright, so now our remaining are these two 14s. The single 14 all the way up there. Well, not all the way up there, but like towards the middle of the car. Then these two 17s. What we're going to do first is the 14 that's all the way up there. Maybe try to get the arm wedged down. We're going to do these two 14s. And then the only thing that's going to be holding it are these two 17s. So we're going to put this in our lap after. Undo these 14s. And it should drop straight down. Oh man. So. Add a little more light. When I tell you guys this took forever to be able to undo this by hand. It took forever. I'm out here sweating. Got AC in this motherfucker. Breaker bar wasn't really helping. I mean, it helped. That's how I got it off. But, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. You guys enjoying this? You guys enjoying this? You guys gonna help all the fade? Kev? Come on. Come on, Kev. Bring that ice cream with the rainbow sprinkles. JP. Bring something. Bring something. Milltown. Bring your Milltown chicken. I don't know. We hungry. We hungry. We hungry. Told you guys. I'm sweating. Nah, the reason why I say it like that is, one of my co-workers kept saying that. He was like, damn, you sweating. And if you guys know me, like at Gunner Day, I kept rolling up my sleeves. Because yes, it was cold outside, but I'm a sweater. I sweat. Damn. Fix my mustache. But anyway, gotta get this 14 out from the front. Just a normal 14. Somewhat of a stud, not really. Pry bar. See if we can get that arm down. Just a little bit, something. Just something. Yes, sir. It's moving. Arm is out. I hooked it this way. here's the arm, and then tucked it out. Try it on the body of the car. Let's get the 17 out. Hopefully. Okay, here we go again. Alright, now let's try this again. Leg underneath this, so it picks up the weight. Easier on the threads. Even though the threads aren't really being nice. We're gonna need it. I'm just showing you guys what really goes into doing this. I'm sorry if that was loud. That was probably loud. So if you had headphones on, I apologize. Almost there. And it is out. Semi-stud, once again. Legs underneath it, so we don't mess up the threads up here. Come on. We're already at a minute for this clip. And it is out. We got it, guys. We got it. Oh, sorry, Tonka. Barely smacked them. Right there. Alright, so this is exactly what happens. Like, I don't really like cutting clips. The reason why I was struggling with that is to show you what comes with working on cars, rather than, you know, I mean, of course, if you had an impact gun or something, it would have been easier, but I just wanted to show you the struggle of what really happens, so you know what to expect. I'm trying to make it look easy, but also show what may or may not happen. You guys might get lucky, the bolts might come out easy, or it might be worse. It might be worse. I hope it's not worse for you guys, but this is really how you take out your rear trailing arms on your EG and similar models. It'll be the same thing, but I'll do the other side off camera. I have a lot of cleaning to do, guys. I had to clean all of underneath this and get it ready. The outside's pretty much done. We're just gonna wipe acetone on it, but underneath the middle, like where the hatch is and everything, I did not touch. We have to get that clean, get all the tar off and everything, so Tonka is ready for paint and undercoat. Man, shout out to my light though. This thing comes in handy. LED. I paid like $30 for it. Oh, rechargeable. Made from cat. Magnetic as a hook, as you guys seen. Man, I know you guys see the drip. Well, anyway, I'm gonna get the driver's side out off camera. I hope I did a great job, detailed, easy, made you guys have the confidence, but also showed what comes with it, of how easy it is, pause, but with the struggles also, just like with those 217s, like I mentioned before. But I hope it was detailed enough to where, for you guys, you know, it showed everything you guys needed to know. I'll get the driver's side off camera. I'll clean everything underneath off camera, and hopefully next vlog we're taping up, getting ready to undercoat. Alright guys, so this will conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have a whole lot of work to do. I gotta clean everything like I mentioned, but I hope you guys learned something useful. I hope you guys can put it to use, but stay blessed, stay sane, keep fucking gunning. I'll catch you guys next time, and we'll slay some more goals. Alright, you know how I told you guys that sometimes the bolts may come out no problem? Well, the whole driver's side, I had no issue. It dropped straight down, all the bolts came out like nothing, but it might be because when I first got Tonka a long time ago, probably in like 2016 is when I got them, I replaced the driver's side because it blew up and then all the brake fluid came out. But anyway, we out here.